Hi guys, today we're going over page 201 that you completed on Monday. So I'm going to go over all the answers right now, check your work with what you did on Monday, and it helps if you have your book open too so you can see the pictures that we're talking about. So on page 201 it says, identify each transformation as a reflection, translation, dilation, or rotation. And so hopefully you were using your notes or the notes in the textbook, because that will tell you also those different things. And you got most of these right, 11 through 16. So let's see. Number 11. What kind of transformation is that? Yes. Number 11 is a translation because they just did what?
Slid it over.
They just slid it to the side. They didn't rotate it. They didn't flip it. They just, okay? How about number 12? What is that?
Reflection.
Try again.
Rotation.
Yes, good. It's a rotation. And a clue for rotation is when you see that little dot. You see that black dot? They're trying to show you that they are flipping that shape around that little dot. Okay, so that's a big clue when it's a rotation. See the little black dot by number 12?
That's blue.
It's blue. Oh yeah, it's blue. Face shield. Okay. Number 13.
Reflection. Rotation.
It is a reflection because they drew that dotted line like this. That kind of is a clue for reflection because you know they flipped it over that dotted line, okay? How about 14?
Dilation.
Ooh, very good. Dilation's an easy one because it's just if it gets bigger or smaller.
Reflection. Rotation. You see, I can't. I always do
It
this.
is reflection.
Really?
Yes.
How?
Because, well, one clue is that dotted line that they drew, because I know they're flipping the shape over that dotted line. And another clue is there's no dot. Like when there is a rotation, they're going to give you the dot. Okay? And number 16.
Translation.
Translation, because they just did what?
Slid it over.
Slid it down. Okay? Awesome. So make sure you have all those correct. 18 through 24 even, we're going to draw a graph for each one. We're going to plot the original points that they give us, draw the shape, and then do what it says to do to the shape. So let me connect the dots here for this crazy shape they gave us. All right, so there's the shape they gave us. And it says they want us to reflect it over the x-axis. So the first thing I have to know is which one is the x? Which one? Which direction is it going? Yes, sideways. So this is the x. So that means my shape is going to flip down over that x-axis. So there's two ways of doing it. You can either draw it out, which I prefer because I'm visual, or you can change the coordinates or the ordered pairs to show that it's reflecting. So we're going to do the draw it out version. So see how this point here is 2 over and 1 up? We're going to move the same direction 2 over, but now we're going to go 1 down. And that's going to be our new point D. What are the ordered pairs for that point?
-2, -1.
Good. -2, -1, because they want this information from us. So we not only have to plot the point, but then write what the point is. Okay, so if I take A now and I flip it in the opposite direction over the X, what will I be at? I'm still going to go
-2.
2,
-3.
yes, 2, -3. So my new point A is at 2, -3. Good job, Rayleigh. All right, how about B? What will my new point B be? B.
5, -3.
Yes. 5, -3. And what will my new point C be?
6 -1.
Yes. Rayleigh gets a Starbucks. All right, and then just connect your dots. And make sure that what you drew, your new shape, is indeed a reflection, like a flip over that x-axis. Okay, same distance below the x as the other shape was above the x. And then our new coordinates are all written out right here, so we're good. All right, so we have plotted number 20. They gave us a parallelogram, MNOP, and we plotted it. And then they said, please translate it 3 units up and 2 units down. What?
What?
No, 3 units right. That makes more sense. And 2 units down. Okay. So this one is actually way easier than the reflecting. We don't even have to draw this to do it correctly. Okay? Which one of our ordered pairs moves left to right? The what? The X. The X moves left and right. So if it says move 3 units right, that means we are going to change the X value in each ordered pair up 3, or right 3, which is positive. So that means I'm going to add 3 to each of my X values. And then it says down 2, so which of my values moves down? Y. So if Y is moving down, that means I'm going to change all my Y values with a -2, because down would be negative, right? So subtract 2 from all your Y's. Add 3 to all your X's, subtract 2 from all your Y's, and we'll have our new shape. So let's see. I'm going to write it over here. What is, I'm on this first one. What is +3 and -4 equal? Close. -1. And what is -2 plus 3?
-5. Oh wait.
+1 this time. Good. And what about, let's do this one. What is +3 minus 1?
-2.
+2. And what is, oh, you know what? I'm putting the things in the wrong place. That's letter O. And this was letter N. We didn't do M yet. I went out of order. Okay. So what is -2? Oh my gosh, guys. I'm struggling. What is -2 plus 3? One. -2 and a +3 is going to be 1. All right, how about, let's do P now. What is -3 plus 3?
Oh, goodness.
Come on, guys. -3 plus 3?
3. 0.
0. And what is 0 minus 2?
0. 2.
-2. All right. Okay, what is -6 plus 3?
3 -3. 3. 6. I'm
Okay.
answering.
Once again, I only heard one voice. What is 0 minus 2?
2. -2.
-2. Okay, I had to pause the video to yell at them because they weren't answering. And then Elizabeth has gone off the deep end
Well, no, because you just went from yelling at us
to like totally serious. And Rayleigh's still the only one answering the questions because Elizabeth's laughing. Okay, So there are all our new coordinates. Now I know this page was kind of a mess. I am drawing like a lot of things on here to show you. I even erased my y-axis, guys. Did you know I erased my y-axis?
No, that wasn't me.
Oh my. Thanks. Thanks, Rayleigh. So what I'm going to do now, though, to make sure that I kind of did the right thing, is I'm going to plot the new one and see if it looks correct. 3 units right, 2 units down. So let's plot the points that we just made, these over here. -3, -2. And -1, +1. And 2, 1. And 0, -2. All right, there we go. It looks like it went to the right 3 and down 2, so we did our points correctly. Okay, so this one, number 22, says take square ABCD and dilate it by a scale factor of 3. And remember, we talked about the scale factors. If it's a whole number, you multiply. If it's a fraction, you would divide all your numbers by whatever is on the bottom of the fraction, okay? But this one is a whole number because it says by 3. So we're going to multiply all of our points by 3. Everything's getting multiplied by 3, the x and the y. And then we're going to plot our new square, which is going to be bigger or smaller?
Bigger.
Bigger. If we're multiplying, we're making it bigger. So multiply both these by 3. What is -2 times 3?
What was it? I don't have my calculator. Wait, -2 times 3?
Yeah,
-6.
-6. And what is 1 times 3? 3. And we're going to multiply this one by 3. What is 2 times 3?
4, 5, 6.
6. And 2 times 3 again?
6.
6 again. Multiply your C points by 3. What is 3 times 3?
3, 6,
9. And what is -2 times 3?
9. -6.
-6. And what is -1 times 3?
3. -3.
Yep. And -3 times 3? Yeah, we lost Elizabeth again. So, yeah, you did a really great job, Elizabeth. That was good. So all we did was multiply every single number by 3, and that's going to give us a bigger square. We're dilating the square, making it larger. So now we can plot our new points. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's our new A. B is +6. I'm going to pause this while I finish plotting it. Okay, so here's our new square. We dilated this square. That means we made it either bigger or smaller. This one we made bigger. We multiplied everything by 3, got our new points, and plotted them. And we're not going to do 24 because we're out of time. So that is all for today. Check your work and let me know if you have any questions.